Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the S Pen as a remote to take a picture or record video on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon, then we scroll down and tap on advanced features, then tap on S Pen. Next, go down and tap on Air Actions. Tap on the left hand side panel. Make sure the toggle button at the top is switch on. Then we scroll down and go to the app actions and tap on camera. In here, make sure you set single press to take picture or record video and make sure it is turned on. And then tap on the back key. Now, if you are using other camera app, you can go down to the general app actions and then go to the camera section and make sure it is turned on down here. And again, you want to make sure single press has been set to take a picture. Then after that, you can open up your camera app, and with your S Pen, you can remotely use this button to take a photo or record a video, depending on which mode you have set it on. So here I can choose photo. I can press on this button right here, and that will allow me to take a picture, or it will allow you to record a video. If you're in video mode, it will allow you to take a video, and if you press on it again, it will, sorry, that is just switch action. So when I move my pen up like this, it will allow me to switch between the front and the back camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.